Hi there, this is Marissa, and today I have a new process video for you in my Traveler's Notebook. And for this spread, I am using the May Good Life collection from Pixel Scrapper. And I have printed out on the right side there a paper from the print kit. And on the left side is a page from the Journal Me kit. And I taped those into my notebook, and then I did do a little journaling there before the camera started, so you wouldn't have to watch me think about things. And then I just pulled a bunch of scraps from my scrap box, which I'm going to use here to layer with my photo. And then I also have printed out, you can see there in the background, the labels, which are also in the print kit. So I printed those out ahead of time, and I printed those on a heavier cardstock. The papers there that I taped in my notebook, I just printed on regular copy paper. So I will just tape down here my little photo cluster, and then I will add a little label. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.